Hi, I'm Kristen.
Hi, I'm Skyla. And I'm Holden.
We are 3/4 of the Dean team. Scott will be joining us soon, and we are heading into Peppa Pig Theme Park. Are y'all ready for an adventure?
Let's go!
Let's go! To get to Peppa Pig, you exit the hotel, you drink your juice boxes, and then you walk along this path towards where the parking lots are. Heading to Peppa Pig Theme Park. This way! That has got to be hot, Holden. It's like 90 degrees already. Woo, y'all ready? Let's do this. Got tickets and guest services. We are headed in. What are you gonna be doing all day, Holden?
Peppa Pig stuff.
What sound are you gonna be making all day?
I can barely do the whole intro. Hi, I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Single strollers 18, double strollers 28, and that's what they look like over there. It's pretty cool. The ECVs come with a cover on top, so you got some shade. We started off the morning at the hotel pool, and so we're just gonna go straight to the water play area. Huge splash pad when you first walk in. We're gonna spend the morning at Peppa Pig Theme Park and then head back to Legoland for our third day, and we'll have a separate vlog about that experience, so you can check that out and see what the main park is like too. The bucket's definitely gonna fall on you. It's coming! It's coming! Whoa! More splash pad action over here and a couple of slides.
3, 2, 1, go! I'm in! Make it go! Car wash!
Car wash!
I'm gonna go down the water slide. That was fun. It's so much water. You would not believe it. Ah! There it is. Oh. Wow. Now that was hard. 3, 2, 1. It's a tie. Okay, we're going up and we're about to go to the purple slide, and we're going to slide down and go through a really cool like play place. Okay, let's go. Wow, that was a big splash. We have some. He's trying to swim with water. You can move this thing and change the way that the water is spraying. I think you can do it with the other one too. Yep, you can do it with the other one too. I don't know if you can see it, but there's water coming out, and you can run through it. I love duckies. I'm gonna hit you. Come on, Jake.
Changing rooms available. And this is awesome, all the seating in the shade for the parents. You can just keep an eye on the kids as they play. That's perfect. Scott's with us now, and you just described Peppa Pig Theme Park perfectly.
When you turn the corner, you hear the music. There's some topiaries, and the color, it looked like a Tim Burton set up a fair, kind of. Not in a creepy way.
Like in a fun way.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, we got an erratic driver in there.
Hold it together.
Got it right on the back. Put your feet on there. Put your hand on your shoulders. Go.
Holden figured out what it was for. Holden's got it.
I'm Peppa Pig. I am George.
This is the spot right here. The kids found the chill zone. It smells like Lysol in here in a good way, like it's been cleaned.
Lysol and Febreze.
Yes. You can put in donations for Merlin's magic wand. There's lots of free carnival games at the fun fair area. What's in here?
I look like a wobbly teddy.
Why?
Wobble, wobble, wobble. Oh! Okay, now it doesn't look like this, but
Whoa. You're tall here. Got long arms.
Oh,
Got it.
Oh, baby girl, it's hot. At least it's a good breeze up here. Very good overview of the park and the parking lot. You can see the hotel. This is Mr. Bull's High Striker. We're not gonna wait in line for it, but it's basically like a Beetle Bounce type ride. That's how they have in the main park.
Let's see if we can make the bell ring, everyone. Everybody likes
They're meeting and greeting. Oh, hugs. So fun.
You got the photo pack person over there.
For Daddy Pig's roller coaster, it's 42 inches to ride unaccompanied and 36 inches to ride with an adult. We're gonna head to their house. This is so cool. It's like you're actually in their house. Yeah, you can sit down.
Daddy Pig was just there.
She's upstairs with George and Mummy Pig.
Their kitchen. Holmes chilling on their sofa. Family portrait, very nice. Oh no, their keys are in the washer.
When the ride comes to a complete stop, lift on your lap bar
There's
and
not a ton
exit
of
to your
things in the
left
park, but they
and
do have
down
a
the
lot of
ramp.
covers for you.
Can parents be sure to help your children?
It's Daddy Pig's coaster, but I'm technically driving because we're in England. So the little steering wheel is on my side. Just saying. You a good driver, Daddy Pig?
Shoots you up the hill.
Granny Pig's Garden. This is what Daddy Pigs do in Peppa Pig Land. Are we in a maze or a labyrinth? Look at your hair. Hang on, stop real quick. You have so much static on your hair right now. What? What's in the center?
It's like a frog.
Oh my goodness.
Can you see anything up in the tree?
Madame Gazelle's nature trail. You can see some of the prints left along it. the music, I really feel like we're in an episode of Peppa Pig right now. Holy bunny. Skyla is over it, y'all.
I just want AC.
She just wants some air conditioning. Lots of spots to eat outside. Most of them are in the sun though. I'm gonna head into Mr. Fox's shop. All the Peppa merch you would expect. I don't see any specific Peppa Pig Theme Park merchandise though. Just most of the main Peppa Pig items. Oh, a nap mat, that's pretty cool. Lots of Peppa Pig plush. If you need some Peppa Pig shades for the sun, we've got a couple options. All of the diner seating is undercover. Very cute diner, very bright. I'm liking it. I don't think you can play songs on this jukebox. What song would you pick if you could play it on the jukebox?
Sweet dreams.
By the Eurythmics. What song would you pick for a jukebox?
Simple Minds, Don't You Forget About Me.
So waiting in line, I just found out that the milkshakes are basically just soft serve ice cream. They like drizzle inside with the strawberry, soft serve ice cream, and put a cookie on top. And that's all it was. It wasn't really like a milkshake. And the same with the chocolate, it was just chocolate sauce. And they didn't use the machine or anything, didn't make sense. So not for 10 bucks.
So instead of spending the $10, we're gonna just get bigger sundaes.
Big sundaes for $7.
At the Legoland Park.
Yeah.
Round 3 of Publix subs and more Nutella banana sandwiches, because nothing better than that. If you've been to Florida, you know this, but Florida water has a very distinct taste. So if you find a spot that does not taste like Florida water, get it. So here at the diner at Peppa Pig, we have cold, delicious, non-suspicious tasting water. Fill up. Chug it, y'all. We're gonna get a refill while we're here. 12:15 and the line for the diners now. Out the door. One of the best things I've seen here is in the bathroom. They had a tiny toilet and then a teeny tiny toilet. So they literally have 3 different levels of toilet size for your kids. So they really were thinking about the little ones. That was really cool. I'm telling you what, it was so smart to have this area be undercover because it's 12:30 and it is so hot, but it feels so much nicer under here. Kids are gonna ride Grandad Dog's Pirate Island. Hey guys!
I'm the captain of the ship.
There's some hot little piggy pirates.
Not gonna lie, this was fun.
It's fun? Good. There's a sand play area, but it is hot. It's a lot in the sun. Welcome, Grampy Rabbits. Dino Adventure. Skyla, say cheese.
You can take like a little
I'm
bit
just a big kid.
Bye.
Bye.
Hold on tight.
This is the view from the dino. My dino friends over there. There's Skyla. Oh, we're going through a tunnel. Hi, Holden. Woo, we got some dinos ahead. You know how we're always bummed out we don't get to ride Royal Joust? This is like wish fulfillment of getting to ride a ride like this. It's cool. So it's pretty fun, not gonna lie. Hey girl, hey. We're heading out, it's 12:30, so we spent about 2.5 hours here. I think the best thing that they did was put the water splash pad area in here because that's what the kids I think like the most, especially on a really hot day. This park is definitely obviously made for preschool kids and the ones who are of the age to watch Peppa Pig. And we saw a lot of little kids who were super excited to be here. So we highly recommend it if you have little ones. And for the older kids, there's still some things for them to do, but it's definitely geared toward the preschool age group. Tell us about your favorite parts of the day.
The cinema and Daddy Pig's roller coaster. My favorite things was the cinema because the AC and the beanbag chairs were very comfortable. And then also the water park splash pad because it was very hot.
What age do you think would be the best to come to this park?
I would say maybe like 4 and under. 5 and under. I still had a good time. And I don't usually watch Peppa Pig, but I really like this. And it was like all understandable, but yeah.
So you still got it even if you don't always watch the show?
Yeah.
We will have other videos about our experiences at the main park, the water park, and the resort. So we'll be sure to link those in the description down below. And as always,
Keep adventuring!